1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're so glad to see so many of you lovely people here tonight. We would especially like to welcome all the representatives of Illinois' law enforcement community who have chosen to join us here in the Palos Hotel Ballroom at this time. We certainly hope you all enjoy the show. And remember, people, that no matter who you are and what you do to live, thrive, and survive, there's still some things that make us all the same. You, me, them, everybody. Everybody.
Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody to love. Someone to love.
Someone to love.
Sweetheart to miss.
Sweetheart to miss.
Sugar to kiss.
Sugar to kiss.
I need you, you, you. I need you, you, you. I need you, you, you. In the morning, when my soul's on fire. Sometimes I feel a little sad inside. When the streets me, never hide from you. Sometimes I feel a little sad inside. When my baby mistreats me, I never
You know, people, when you do find that special somebody, get a hold of that man, hold that woman. Love him, please him, squeeze her, please her. Signify your feelings with every gentle caress. Because it's so important to have that special somebody to hold, to kiss, to miss, to squeeze and please.
Come on, oh baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, oh baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, a sweet home, Chicago? Well, what I want us to do, 6 and 2 is 8. Come on, baby, don't you make me laugh?